So hey guys, you saw the thumbnail that don't buy the Xiaomi or Redmi or Poco devices. So because of the fake and false promises of the warranty, they said that they will give you the 1 year or 2 year warranty for the devices and they will service the mobiles. But in the warranty, they won't service your mobiles. They just simply spoil your device. Even you give the mobile in the working condition also to the service center, they will repair the mobile and they will bring you the apart from the your complaint, they will bring the new issues to your mobile. So like that only happened to me. So I given my Poco F4 device to a service center. So, that is her name is a 𝗂𝗂𝗃 Associates in 𝗂𝗂𝗃𝗃. So they changed the regarding the HDR and Dolby Vision issue. So let me tell you the full story after this. So let me tell you what they changed and what the issues I got. So I went to the service center to Dolby Vision and HDR issue. They saw the issue and they said that they changed the display and they changed it one time. They changed it one time also. The issue is not resolved. They changed the second time, third time, fourth time also. Even they changed the first time. I said that the issue is not resolved and they changed the second time of the display. So after changing the second time display, I got many display issues. So let me tell you the later. So after they changed the third time also I faced those many issues. So they brought me new issues after the repair, and also fourth time also they changed. So now apart from the display issue, they brought me a new issue that my mobile vibrator isn't working. My brother's mobile vibrator isn't working. That vibration is not working. Okay, so let me now comes to the display issue. So now let's in display issue, they bring a new problems apart from the HDR and Dolby Vision issue. So let me tell you the issues they bring me. So apart, even they brought vibration is not working and they fixed it in the third replacement of my mobile display. So now the additional issues they bring me to my mobile is a refresh rate issue. Another one is flickering issue, and another one is display panel becoming reddish in low brightness. And the next one is punch hole issue at the front hole camera is bigger, which is smaller in Poco F4. So let me come by one. So first one is refresh rate issue. So as you can see, as you know that a Poco F4 device is a high-end mobile, so which gives you a 120 Hz refresh rate. So now my device is set to 60 Hz refresh rate, as you can check in display settings, and I can see in the refresh rate custom 60 Hz. It is a 460 Hz. Now let me set to the 120 Hz, 120 Hz. As you can see, even I set to the 120 Hz, it's behaving like a 60 Hz display, as you can see. So this is the one thing they spoiled with my mobile. This is the first thing. Okay, now the second thing is flickering issue. So what's the flickering issue? As now you can see that these black lines on the mobile. So let me decrease the brightness. As you can see, the display is flickering. So let me decrease the brightness. So as you can see, my display is a clear flickering. So my brother's display. So let me show you another phone. So which is a Poco F5 device. It is a successor of Poco F4. So as you can see, so the same device when I put together. Let me decrease the brightness to it. So even you can see, even I decrease the brightness, the flickering is not occurring as a black lines. So let me change another photo to show you the flickering issue more. So let me open the gallery. In gallery, as you can see, the flickering is occurring more when I decrease the brightness. So check clearly. So you can see the black lines, right? So in the same way, so as you can see, I show you my Poco F5 device, same picture only. As you can see, when I increase or decrease brightness, so the flickering is not occurring at all. But any Poco F4 device, the color is also different, and so you can see there is flickering lights. So next thing I observe it when I open my display in low brightness. When I decrease the brightness of the Poco F4 device, it becoming very reddish. So as you can see, it is a white screen. So let me switch on the lights of the room. Of the lights. So you can see the screen is white. Okay, it's really white. So okay, let me decrease the brightness. It's become very reddish color. See how reddish it's become. How reddish. So let me keep another device as a Poco F5 device. Let me decrease the brightness for you. Okay, let me decrease. So I decrease the low brightness. As you can see, how reddish Poco F4 become. So a customer can see this mobile in a reddish way. So how about the eyes? Will the eyes will go on, right? So as you can see, the display become very reddish. Very reddish. So this is one. In low brightness, it's flickering very okay. So okay, I can see the black line. It's a flickering. It's a clear flickering. So let me change the display. So as you can see, so this is the picture. Okay, so first I have shown you that it's a completely different color in brightness. So as you can check, it's a very completely different color in brightness, right? So if I try to decrease the brightness, so you can check it's slowly becoming reddish color. Check how reddish it become. So if they change the third class a cheap display to the Poco F4 device, when my brother replaced the display, as you can see how reddish the phone is become. So what the customer is using the phone, so what if his eyes get damaged because of this? So do Redmi or give me a guarantee that? So now let's tell me, so now let's back to the another issue, that is, as you can know that Poco has the small punch hole, right? This one, as the Poco F4 has a small punch hole. So after they replace display, how you can see how large the punch hole has become, and also that you can see the hole is not attached correctly, so it go upwards as a secondary noise cancellation mic, as you can see. Okay, it's become upward. So this is a very different. So how the Poco and Xiaomi supports are doing for me like that. So I even mailed to Poco, Xiaomi, or Redmi mail support team. I raised the complaint on. So I raised the complaint on October, month of October, but they said they just keep lagging, and these many months. So they finally came to. They didn't even tell me the perfect answer. If I call today, so they tell me to wait for another 48 hours. So after another 48 hours, if I call him, they said that the backend team is not available. They said that wait to another 48 hours. Even now, even these many days, the backend team has not given a proper solution, and they not even called me also. They're just postponing meetings day by day, day by day, day by day. Okay, this is the short story, friends. So let me tell you the big